Ka jylla Meghalaya menta kalayat chaprang hagaban pynlong ya kelumpung ya kop lekai ke bahe hakani katan stelam mingi ya ke balatip kum ke North East Olympic Games ke baar ke banlong ha unai weng menta ke senam. Si benta ke jeng pynkhreh kini kelumpung ha ke arpun reu tarik menta unai lor hajar arpuar la pynlong ru ke jeng elang ke bekerpang ke balatip kum ke curtain raiser. Hakini ke jingelang hakini ke sengi ke bala pynlong ha Pinewood Hotel Shillong Menteri Rangba ke jylla Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulalong ukongsan rengkat ke jingedan lang Chief Secretary ke jylla ba DP Walang Commissioner bat Secretary ke Tenat Jengok Kai Perthai Vijay Kumar D Vice President ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association ba John F Kharshieng bat kirang bat kita yele akai bat ki coach jong ke jingele akai boper hakini ke jingelang la plat pat baru ya ke logo bat mascot jong ke lumpung kaban pynlong naduk ke sipau haduk ka khandreu tarik unai weng menta ke senam hajar arpuar kabalong ru kum sibenta ke jingrakhe ya ke jingdap sanpau senam ke jingyo jylla bapura ke Meghalaya hakini ke lumpung ke bishtayo anwani simbenta di rang bat kita yelakai naki pratli ke jylla jong ni katan stelam mingi bakentup ke Arunachal Pradesh Assam Nagaland Manipur Mizoram Tripura Sikkim bat ke jylla Meghalaya bat ke jingelakai baro kendon khat pratli balak milinti bagi nong ilakai ke banwane simbenta na baro pratli ke jylla kendan palat lai hajar san spangut hagani ke jingyalang Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula samru ke jingerap pisa sabro ki kenhon ilakai da ke IT haki nong yalam da ke cek bakin pynkhreh na ke bentak ne ke jingyakop ke bahe ke ban Shillong hagani ke nong ba Shillong.
And hence, until unless we are able to engage and allow our youth to be in constructive things like music and sports and social service, education, academics, then they will ultimately end up being in the wrong things. So these two very important factors have driven the policy making and the different ideas and projects that we have gone into. So that's number one. Number two, while we did that, we also realized that we cannot just simply host a game and expect that, by magic, our students and our youngsters and our youth will start winning medals, or just simply by giving checks to organizations that tomorrow we'll win a medal at national games. It doesn't work like that. There's a lot of preparation that needs to go in. There's a lot of hard work. There's a lot of discipline that needs to be put into. There's a lot of policy making that needs to be done by the government. There needs to be a lot of infrastructure to be created. There's a lot of efforts being done, have to be made by the different organizing committees and the bodies and of the different organizations. So every stakeholder in this entire process has to play their role to be able to achieve these two very important objectives that we as a government have. And hence, if you've seen the entire range of activities that we have done in the last 4.5 years, but minus the 2 years of COVID, but still I say 4.5 years, you will see that we have tried to, affect and we have tried to do things at different levels in whatever way possible. For example, the STAR program that we are looking at right now. So we had about close to 4,000, 5,000 athletes who were tested in different aspects. And the reason we did that is because we realized that unless there's a scientific approach to actually identifying talents, and then to be able to shape them and give them the guidance to become medal winners. We cannot just expect that when they're 15 years old, 18 years old, suddenly somebody comes up on their own, which the chances are very less. So therefore, instead of that happening, we need to go to the ground and identify the talent at a young age, nurture them, send them to different training camps and different places of centers of excellence, nationally as well as internationally. And then maybe we might see a star or a person who may be able to get a medal for us in the long run. So therefore, we started doing a very scientific approach. We also realized that we need to support our sports person. So many of you have been going out and on your own you have been spending your own money, spending your own funds on buying equipments, traveling, and you bring laurels to the state and state doesn't recognize you. And I think this is something that is really small, but I think it's very meaningful. And it makes the athlete and the sports person also very happy and very proud. And therefore we started to give cash awards. whether you have won medals for the state, at the national level, or whether you have won medals at the Meghalaya Games level. So we started giving these cash awards. So there are many such factors in many areas which we're working on. We're working on areas of the youth policy, which has been the real pillar of the backbone based on which different activities have happened. We've enhanced the funds for the medal winners in different categories. We have also ensured that not just in sports, but in areas of music also, we're really pushing the talent that we have, because we feel we need a holistic approach, as I said, in order to be able to shape the youth and to channelize their energy in the right direction.